Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to discuss the false ceiling design of this room. See, this is the furniture layout plan of one of our projects. What are we having here in this layout? This is your main entry. You're having your bed over here. This is the side table, nightstand for the bed. This is my big good size wardrobe. This is my dressing table, and this is the storage for the dressing table, and this is the TV unit. Creating the false ceiling of this room can be tricky because your bed is over here, which is not matching with the center of the ceiling. See, this is the ceiling center and your bed is over here. If you place your fan over here, this is not going to align with the center of the bed. So whenever you design your false ceiling, this can be one very important aspect that you have to keep in mind. Otherwise your ceiling will look good, but if the center of the fan doesn't align with the center of the bed, it is not going to be very functional. Now let's see what is going to be the right way to design the ceiling. See, this is my dimension. It is somewhere around 3 feet. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take 3 feet from here, 3 feet from here. Then I'm going to create a panel over here. Now this is going to be one panel where I am going to place my fan. Now the center of the fan is aligning with the center of the bed, which is going to give a pleasing sight. What you can do, either you create a groove over here and you create some sort of design in the POP work, so this is differentiated, or you can use different material on this panel, or what you can do, you can create a cove over here. So this panel is segregated and this is another panel. So this is how you can simplify the false ceiling of areas which are asymmetrical from the ceiling. This is the ceiling design that we have created for this space. You can see this is my wardrobe, this is the panel, this is another panel, and I have created cove like this. This is my cove area, and my fan is aligning with the center of the bed. Then only your false ceiling will give a pleasing look. See, this is one design option. You can create endless option. All you have to keep in mind is stick to the basic. If you're creating a symmetrical panel like this which has a center, then place a fan at the center of the panel. Then only it's going to look good. And also make sure that the fan is above the bed. Then only it's going to be functional. And in case you don't want to create any sort of symmetrical design on the ceiling, then what you can do, you can create some sort of design like this or this, where the center is not prominent. Then your fan above the bed is not going to look odd. This is the 3D of the space. You can see in here, this is my panel that I was talking about. My fan is over here at the center, which is at the center of the bed. This is another panel. Now the lighting is done. This is one design option. You can create endless option, but you have to stick to the basics. See, fan should be above the bed. Also, if you're creating a symmetrical panel like this, the fan should be placed at the center of the panel. Then only it's going to give a decent look. See, it's very small thing, but people make mistakes. Even I have done the similar kind of mistake in my beginning of my practicing career. So keep this thing in mind and your false ceiling will look very nice. That's all for today. See, I keep sharing these kind of practical videos on my channel, so consider subscribing and do check out. I have created many videos about floor plans, kitchen design tips. There are many more, so if you want to explore our page, go and you will find very informative videos. Also, if you have any design query, you can DM us on Instagram. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in my next video soon. Bye.